Hello everybody, welcome to Merry Balloons. Today we will see one more special design for Valentine's Day. This is one of my favorite designs. I'm using red and gold 260 balloons. After giving a good stretch, let's inflate the red balloon, leaving a 3-finger tail. After giving a good squeeze and stretch, let's make 2-finger loop twist, a very small loop, and let's insert the nozzle into the loop and bring it out like this. Simple petal twist or loop twist. We'll make 3 loops every time while making the loop twist. Let's give a good squeeze and then twist. So now we've got 3 loops. We'll give a good squeeze and a stretch. Our balloon needs to be very soft here. So we'll take the tail. We have a very tiny little tail left. Now take the tail and twist it around the loops a couple of times. Oh, I missed the tail. So when we twist like this, we've got 3 small loops and 1 big loop. After adjusting the 3 loops, now we'll give the shape of a heart for this big loop. We'll just bend at the middle like this and we'll just press so that the shape of a heart will be formed. Now let's set that aside and inflate the gold balloon. We don't need much of this, so we'll just inflate around 3 to 4 pumps. After giving a good squeeze and a stretch, let's twist the first bubble, approximately 3 fingers. Twist it well and we'll squeeze well and make the second bubble approximately 2 fingers or 2.5 fingers. Make the third one also similar to the second one. Like this, twist together the second and the third. Now we'll give a good squeeze. Let's twist 2 more bubbles similar to the second and the third bubble. Let that also be the same size. Approximately that is 2 fingers or 2.5 fingers. And twist well. Make sure the bubbles are soft. To make soft bubbles, we need to press gently and then twist. That means now just press a little bit. Slightly give a gentle press and then twist the bubble. Last bubble we are going to twist approximately 5 to 6 fingers and we'll break off the remaining. Now let's tie a knot and make sure that we'll have enough slack left so that we can twist the cross into the heart. Our cross is ready. Now we'll take the cross and keep it in the middle of our heart and twist it in the loops a couple of times. That's it. Our simple, easy heart with the cross inside is ready. So this is my favorite one. I love this design. So you can use this as your bracelet or you can put it onto a headband, however you can use. You can use this as a wand or even a centerpiece. I hope you liked this video. Do not forget to pop a thumbs up and do not forget to share with all your friends. And if you have still not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. So I have made these in different colors also. I've got with silver cross, and I've got blue heart with grey cross. So you can just try out with your own colors, or you can have your own style of making the cross also. This is a simple one that I've shown. And I want to thank one of my friend and brother who gave me this design, Mr. Gilbert. Thank you so much. Happy Valentine's Day to you all. Thank you so much for watching. Please do try making this. God bless you.